Hello, good afternoon, good morning. This is Daniel Bird, co-founder and CEO at Agave Networks, and the business-to-business matching and tracking platform of the excess materials in the manufacturing industry. Here, I'm going to be showing you very quickly how the prototype at Agave Networks platform works in reality. Of course, here you're going to see the marketplace of all the different ingredients and excess materials that are on the open marketplace. But again, the value proposition comes from creating the matchings. So here, I'm just going to go ahead and here the materials. Here we can see all the materials that me as a company has on digital passports. For example, we have sugar, plastic packaging, strawberry, PET bottles, flavors, etc. With all the information of those excess material digital passports, where they are they being reused, recycled, recovered, treated, disposed, etc. Whenever you click on one, for example, here sugar, you can see the information, material name, image, notifications of where that material is being used, and all the list of the organizations that are using them, the purpose, and potentially how much price they paid for that. Here on the left on the menu, we can see all the different menus that you can have, the tracking history of the material, the marketplace, the wallet, like the credits that you have from Agave Networks, the chat applications, etc. But the important part, let's go to the important part, which is adding a new material. We're gonna have adding a new material here. Again, remember, we can upload information by connecting to the manufacturer ERP, but of course, for the demo, let's create them manually. Of course, we're gonna create the new material manually, so you have to put all the information that you have, that you can from the excess material. For example, here, material name, just gonna go ahead and put strawberry, dried strawberry, yeah. Short description, quantity, whatever, 200 kilograms every month. Type, food and organics. Waste transfer search, tax, description. Again, you put all the information that you can in there. The more information that you can, the better the matchings of the organizations that could potentially use that material are going to be. Ingredients and composition, let's put here again, strawberry, 100%. And of course, like in the real case scenario, you put all the information in there. Productive processes, location, let's put a random zip code. Let's just this one. For example, house you contain, let's say 10 sacks. How is this being managed today? Is this being taken by a waste management company? Is it sent to landfill? Is it being repurposed, etc.? So then after this, we can create an analysis of, after using Agave, how much savings you generated on CO2 emissions, on energy, and of course, financially. Yeah, again, all the information that you can, including best by, use by dates. We are talking about food here because it's strawberry, so all the information that you can. And then we're gonna head and create a detailed passport. The detailed passport strawberry dried has been successfully generated with a unique token number. Then we can list it on the marketplace or find matching. So let's go ahead and find a matching. And all these information are companies that can potentially use your strawberry for different uses. For example, we have redistribution, commercialization. We have Freshona, Deluxe. So these are companies that redistribute or commercialize that material. We have redistribution to charities. So for example, Open Kitchen and Trust to Trust, they're charities. So they generate this, they distribute to charities. We have food remanufacture, we have biomaterial processing, and yeah, we basically divide all the different repurposing opportunities with different organizations. So you can send a request to each one of them, but again, taking into account that not all of them are going to be taking the material, you can potentially send it to the selected organization. So let's send it. And then after, let's say, a potential opportunity arise, so one company wants to get the strawberry dried, they're going to say the information around how much they want, how many times per month they wanted, the shipping, the price, and additional requirements that they need. Potentially, they need other documents. You can chat with them, or let's say, let's accept the deal. So we accept the deal, and then we have here the information regarding the savings of on CO2 emissions, on energy, and of course, on money. Then let's say we send the material, so we can track the material now. So let's see this. This is as the next company that receives the material, of course, physically, and now the digital passport, so you can accept the material. You receive the material, you can transform the material. So let's say you're taking the strawberry dried material and you want to transform it into juice. So you transform juice, you put all the information, quantity, again, all the information that you can, and then you are recording that transactions in the digital passport. So then at the end, you can, again, list it on the marketplace or find new matchings for that material. So that's how it works. You can do basically this with any other material. So it's going to go ahead and create another digital passport. Yeah, I mean, those are examples that I have already done. Yeah, but let's say mango. I'm talking about fruits here, but you can do whatever other material that you want. Let's say a vegetable, whatever, broccoli. So you can put all the information in there. At this point, we can, the most important ones are the ingredient and the location. Yeah, so we're just gonna go ahead and use this location, and with the name and location, that's the minimum requirements that we need to start creating the, we have broccoli, we find materials, and then we have these other organizations that could use it. So you can use this with any other material that you want, not necessarily from the food industry. So yeah, thank you very much. Hope to see you very soon.